Does your child easily forget the story that he has just read? Or does he face difficulty recollecting the most important aspects of the story? Do you think that there is a sort of a disconnect between your child and what he is reading? If yes, it's a matter of concern. But worry not. Retelling as a comprehension strategy can help your child not only remember but also develop a deeper understanding of what he is reading. Watch this video to learn how your child can use his magical 5 fingers to effectively narrate a story and stay connected with it. Let's explore the 5-finger retell strategy. What is retelling? Retelling means recollecting the most important aspects of a story and creating one's own narrative of the same. Retelling as a comprehension strategy has several benefits. It cements the child's understanding of the story. It helps children understand the key aspects of a story, such as its plot, setting, and characters. It enhances their creativity as they try to imagine and visualize the story while narrating it. Retelling also fosters effective communication by making them more expressive in speech. In addition to this, dramatic retelling of a story with the use of props can bring the story to life. A story can be retold in various ways. Narrating it verbally is the most popular way because as children verbalize what they have just learned, their understanding of the text also improves. Let us try to understand this with an example. Let's try a 5-finger retell of the story, The Selfish Giant. As many of you may already know, this is a tale of a giant who does not let children play in his garden. Let's attempt to retell the story using the 5-finger retell strategy. So first comes the thumb. Now, what does the thumb stand for? It stands for the setting. Setting is where the story takes place. The Selfish Giant takes place in the giant's big garden. It has several trees, green grass, flowers, and chirping birds. Now comes the index finger. The index finger is for the characters. Now, who are the characters in the story? There's a giant who is also the main character, and there are several children in the story. None of the other characters are named, although a little boy is shown as the second important character in the story. Next comes the middle finger, which is for the beginning of the story. The story begins with the children playing in an open garden. The garden belonged to a giant. The garden was large and lovely with soft grass and beautiful flowers. The children used to come to the garden to play when the giant was away. Now it's the turn of the ring finger. Here we retell the middle of the story, which also comprises of the conflict or the problem between the characters. No story is complete without a conflict, right? The conflict in the story is between the giant and the children who come to play in his garden. The giant is a selfish man. When upon returning he sees the children playing in his garden, he is furious. He drives them out of the garden and builds a wall around it. The children become sad as they are no longer able to play in the garden. But because they are also afraid of the giant, no one dares to go inside. At last, the little finger, which is for the end or the resolution. How is the problem between the giant and the children resolved? The giant realizes that spring will come to his garden only if he lets the children play there. Helping a tiny boy climb a tree branch melts his heart, and he takes an axe to break the wall down. This is how the tension in the plot is resolved. Now, just as all these elements come together to form the elements of a story, we fold all our fingers together in a fist to highlight the moral of the story. The moral of the story is, we can be happy only when we share selflessly. A loving person will always have spring in his heart. Try the 5-finger retell with your child today and share your experience with us in the comment section below. But remember that retelling is not a tallying process. We are not looking for an exact representation of the story. If a child makes creative edits without hampering the essence of the story or the sequence of events in the story, he should be encouraged. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unleashing's YouTube channel. We will come up with more interesting videos in future. Till then, keep reading.